Alright guys, today we're gonna work on the engine mount of a 2013 Porsche Cayenne. This is the base model that has a 3.6. It's been shaking a lot. I mean it vibrates a lot when you first started or when you stop at a stoplight. So it's time to replace it to absorb some of that vibration from the engine. I got my replacement engine mounts right here. They're basically the same on both sides. So here's the engine. It's 3.6 V6, and that's the one that's causing the vibration, the engine mount. It's pretty visible on the right side or on the passenger side, but the other one, Alright, to get to the driver's side engine mount, I had to remove the cover of the air filter to get access to that bolt right there. I don't know if you see it, but on the passenger side I removed all the plastic. That way I'll have enough room to get to that bolt right there on the back. Managed to loosen this center nut already and loosened up that front bolt. I'm gonna work on that rear bolt over there. I'm using a really long extension just to get to the bolt because I don't have any room down there to loosen it up, and it's really tight, so I have to use this. And this is how long my extension is, just to get to those bolts and nuts. So I don't have the proper tools, so I use the wood to kind of raise the engine up to be able to remove this engine mount right here. Still unsafe, but that's all I got. Alright guys, finally got the new engine mount on. I probably started about 4:30 maybe. Now it's dark, so the most important tool that I use is the socket wrench with a long extension to get to these bolts. And I'm gonna put everything back: the plastic covers, air filter. I got that tightened up right there, that nut, and the two bolts on the side. Get a new engine mount on, put the plastic cover on, and then it's done. Alright guys, here we go. We got all the plastics back. We remove all that just to have a better access to the bolts and nuts right here. Take this plastic piece off, removing the air filter box right there. It's have enough space or room to remove the bolts and nuts of that driver's side engine mount. Put the new engine mount back in. Look at that, man. Started when there was light. Now it's evening time, so it took me a little bit to finish it because I don't work on cars all the time, just every now and then. But saves you a lot of money if you know how to do stuff.